On April 15th of 2013, we celebrated the Boston Marathon just as we've celebrated so many before. Beautiful day. And yet by 2:40 in the afternoon, the explosions occurred. And it changed everything. Think about those Boston police officers that had worked this marathon for, in some cases, decades. Think about our spectators that suddenly turned into first responders. And through that, we launched a massive response. We were going to have to coordinate this through 3 levels of government, and I think everybody came together with the one objective of finding those that were responsible and making them answer for this. And in the midst of all of this, on Thursday night, we have the shooting and the death of a police officer, Sean Collier, from the MIT Police Department. Now that in and of itself is an event that we rarely experience. And here it was in the middle of the marathon investigation. What was the connection? What was that about? Was it connected? We didn't know. Now I go back to George Hanna in February of 1983, going to work that day. He had been with us for 9 years, just went thinking it was another day. How about Sean Collier? Sean went to work that day thinking it was another day, sitting in his car, where he, like George, met his fate. Tragic. And hard to believe that it comes in the middle of all this. You know, when police officers are killed in the line of duty, it's monumental. It strikes a chord with every police officer, no matter what uniform you wear or what state you work in or what community you may happen to work in. These are things that you can never anticipate. These are things that we should never, as a community, take for granted. These are brave, heroic efforts on the part of law enforcement officers and first responders that we should hold up there and say, look at this example. Look at what we can do when we work together. That is the spirit of the Hanna Awards. That is the spirit in which we present and honor these folks here today.